Shemai Aborada. Hello and good morning. My name is Joe and today I'm going to be showing you how to do tendus in the centre. But before we begin, please make sure that you read our safety disclaimer provided on all social media platforms and our website. Please make sure that you've got enough space around you so that when we begin you don't bump into anything, and please make sure that you're wearing suitable footwear such as ballet shoes, socks or bare feet. Please make sure that you're sufficiently warm, and you can do this by doing your own cardio or following some of the previous online videos on our YouTube page. So for tendus in the centre today, I'm going to be showing you two versions of the exercise and then also breaking down the arms and the legs. So we're going to begin the exercise in croisé, and we're going to tendu the front leg devant, so it's going to go 3 tendus devant into a plié. Then we're going to do tendu devant à la seconde, derrière and a plié. Then we're going to repeat from derrière, 3 tendus and a plié, derrière à la seconde, devant and a plié. Then after this, we're going to do a pas de cheval devant, so it's going to go pas de cheval devant, à la seconde, derrière, and a plié. We're going to do 8 quick tendus into 5th derrière, and a plié. And then we're going to repeat from the back, pas de cheval, pas de cheval, pas de cheval, and a plié, and 8 quick tendus in the first 2, a plié. Just a couple of things to think about with the legs. When we're doing tendus, we really want to make sure that we use the floor so that we fully stretch the leg and really point those toes. And especially in devant and derrière, we really want to think about the leg line, so we don't really want to have any sickle feet like this. We want to project the heel forward so that we create the correct foot and leg line. Tendu devant, we're going to go into 3rd position. So you want the opposite arm to the devant leg in front. Then when we go à la seconde, it's going to go into 2nd position. And when we go to derrière, it's going to go into a second arabesque. So that's the front arm the same as the back leg. On the 8 quick tendus in first, we're going to have the arms and keep them in 2nd. And then on the pas de cheval, we're going to go a 3rd. Then we're going to switch arms to 3rd. Then we're just going to do the 2nd arabesque again. And then when we come from the back, we're going to go 2nd arabesque, a 3rd, and finish the exercise. So now I'm going to do it with the music, and today's music is provided by the wonderful David Plumpton. In, out, in and plie and stretch. Front, to the side, to the back, and a plie, stretch. 1, 2, 3, plie and stretch to the back, to the side, to the front, plie pas de cheval. 1, 2, 3, plie and stretch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 from the back, to the side, to the front, plie and stretch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we want to make sure that both our legs are nice and strong for when we get back in the studio, so please make sure that you do the exercise on both sides. Version number 2 of the exercise, and we're going to begin with our arms in bras bas. And please make sure that when you're in this position that we engage the core and make sure that we're not slouching in the back. So we're going to go through 3rd up to 4th. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And on each of these movements you can have a little breath with the palms. Then we're going to go from the back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go with the right arm, front, in, side, in, back, in, and take the arms up through 5th. Then we're going to repeat from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from the arm to the back, and the side, and a front, reverse the arms through, fifth, and then you can do it on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, then the other arm. 2, 3, 4. Front, to the side, to the back, and in. Then we take the arms through fifth, open, ready to go from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the back, and 1, 2, 3, and in reverse the arms. 1, 2, 3, and finish. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Please make sure that you continue to send us lots of photos and videos and tag @Ballet Cymru across all social media platforms. And please make sure that you continue to look out for new tutorials posted every single day. Bye for now.